So should you invest during this recession?
Hmm?
Well, we're going to find out. Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Orlando. Today we're going to be talking about, should you invest in this recession? Well, the short answer is maybe. And it really depends on your current situation, where your finances are, and if you have gotten rid of those blemishes or anything that's bad that's going on with your credit profile. So let's dig a little bit deeper into that. So if you have what I call ugly debt, which is credit cards, possibly car loans, depending on how it's structured, and any personal loans, if you haven't gotten rid of any of that, then I would say no, you shouldn't invest. You should try to get your credit profile in the best condition that you possibly could before you decide to invest. Also, we can't forget the number one rule. If you're not willing to lose the money that you're investing, then you shouldn't invest at all. And what that means basically is, if you decide to invest in some stock in Apple, Google, whatever, or even if you decide to do real estate and you're going to invest that money, and if you lose that money, then something bad would happen. Like you lose your home, you lose your car, you can't eat, whatever the situation is, then you should not. So the next scenario would be, what if you have everything together? What if your credit profile is great, you have everything in a nice fitted suitcase, right? Everything is really tidied up, right? I would say yes. There's some great deals to be had in this downturn, as there always is. I would say just be cautious, make sure that you're getting into the right deal, make sure the deal is right for you. But with that being said, yes, there's going to be some great deals for individuals who have everything together. And those are the individuals that will risk less, right? And that's what I'm all about. When it comes to investing, when it comes to taking advantage of situations, I'm all about being a little bit more conservative, less risk, right? I'm not one of these guys who will tell you, go ahead, invest everything, go for the gamble, put all of your money on black or whatever, or on a number. I'm not one of those guys. I'm not going to tell you that. I'm more conservative than I am not. So with that being said, once again, let's go over what we're talking about. If you do have your credit together, then yes, of course, invest. If you don't have your credit together and all of your finances together, I would say do not invest. Maybe wait until the next recession, because it always goes into cycles. So just wait for the next recession to happen and then go ahead and, take advantage of it. In the meantime, I would say focus on your credit, focus on getting your finances together, and you can still do deals within there. It just it doesn't have to be those fantastic deals. You don't have to wait until the next recession for you to actually do a deal. Okay, guys, thanks again for watching my video. Once again, if you like my video and you got something out of it, please hit the subscribe button and a notification button so that when I upload videos, you will be notified when that happens. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thanks.